Alright everyone, welcome back to Truck Bros. Today we're going to be headed over to a co-worker's house to attempt to pull out a tractor that he got stuck in his pond. We don't know the condition or how bad it is over there, but we're going to head that way and see what we got to do, see what we got to do to get this thing out, see what we're working with. So hey Blaze.
Hey everybody, how you
Hey James.
What's up guys?
Give us just a second, we're going to head over there and we'll assess the situation. Hang tight. Let's get down here and see what we got. Oh, it's gonna rub. Oh, it's gonna rub so bad. Oh, yep, it's rubbing. Oh, that's okay. It's okay. He's gonna eat whatever's in the way out. Oh, there we go. Here we go. My goodness. Ooh. Wow, poor Sly, thank you for flying in the window. I appreciate that. Wow, this is rough. Oh gosh, oh gosh. My truck is probably gonna be mad at me. I know I'm mad at me. Golly. Oh. Not even doing 10 miles an hour. Golly. This is rough. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well, give us a second. I'm gonna get out and assess what's going on. I'll be right back with y'all, okay? My goodness. Gene, how the heck?
Yeah, that hornet's nest right there. They're like rebuilding it, so I guess they're not going anywhere, man.
What's up, bud?
What's up, bro?
What you been doing? Just watching the game?
Yeah.
Golly, let's walk over here and look at it.
Only thing I'd be worried about is it going ahead and just tumping on over.
Yeah, that's my concern. How soft is the bottom?
Better keep pulling if it starts thumping.
I see you tried.
Yeah, this morning.
Holy cow. Oh no, the tire's not, it's not sunk in no mud. It's soft, but it managed to hit hard bottom over there. Did you fall off in the water?
No, I jumped off this way. I see the hornet.
Oh yeah, it's not even buried in no mud. You know, you're good. I thought it was going to at least be sunk. That's not bad. Who wants to try to pull first? Me, you, or James?
It don't matter to me.
I don't care. No matter to me. We're gonna get it out one way or another. Up there's pretty hard pack. I mean, it's a little loose on top, but all in all, it's pretty good and solid.
No, James, do you want to go or do you want me to go? Or Zach, do you want to go?
I don't care. Don't matter. You got anything long enough to reach it?
Yeah, I got another post up.
Okay.
Maybe
Well, here.
2 trucks up to it.
Well, we can try to pull it with one just by lightly tugging it. And if he's just got those, regular street tires,
Yeah.
all-terrains, they ain't really gonna do much. All three of us got aggressive, besides Blaze and his drag mud radial.
Well, everybody said do a burnout. So I did, and I ruined them. Sorry.
All right, I'll go ahead and back up for you.
Guarantee I'm not scared to put it in 4 low and floor it. James, you have the story on that when I was sliding across the yard.
What do you mean?
When I was pulling out that tree.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we keep forgetting that Zach does not have a receiver hitch, so we're going to go ahead and try Blaze's truck.
Alright, if I get stuck, go forward, gotta save me.
Oh, I'll save you. I mean, it is the Alpha truck here.
Next paycheck, we're going to get a receiver for that thing. I keep forgetting
Yeah.
I have one. We need to do. Okay, Gene, this is the most built truck here, so.
Once you walk up on that hill over there, try and pull them back up instead of.
Straight, because I'm pulling them up, I'm pulling them up against it.
Yeah.
You want to double up the strap you got so you don't get so far back to here?
That's fine, we can.
Yeah, let's do that.
It's in the bed of the truck.
That way he can stay on this hard pack.
Yeah. Pretty solid. All right, now we got Blaze's truck lined up. I just walked all through that. No, I'm not, but I will.
You're not what?
Talking crap.
Hey, tension it up, Blaze. All right. Go.
Yeah, it started rolling, and then it kind of tumped to the right.
Well, I'm gonna grab my truck. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back up at the same time as you on this hill, so it keeps it. You see how it's starting to tip down?
I think that wheel's there.
No, the wheel's not. You can
No,
see
the
it
front
through the
one
water.
is so skinny and it's soft in there.
Well, no, you can see it through the water. You can see the whole tire.
I can't see it.
Yeah, let me grab my truck.
All right, so we got one truck, Blaze's truck, hooked to the front of the tractor. And Zach's over there pulling back on the back of the tractor. I don't know if you can see that strap right there, hooked to Zach's truck. That way we don't tump this tractor. He's actually got a bush hog behind it. Don't want it to dump off into the pond. Pretty smooth rolling for the most part.
Go ahead, buddy. All right.
And there we go.
That's it.
She's out.
Go. Once the billet track was going nuts, it was not liking me doing that.
Oh, I didn't spin it.
I meant to get out and unhook the ABS real quick, but yeah, I wasn't
Just
worried
because
about
mud
it.
tires are bald does not mean they don't work. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Well, James, you want to close it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. It didn't tip a lick once we did that.
Yeah, no, y'all really kept it balanced.
At one point I felt it tugging.
All right, guys, that's that for this video. We got the tractor out pretty easily. The Ram and the Chevrolet did a little teamwork and got it on out of there. So if you like this video, go check out our other videos on the channel. And as always, have a great day, and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys.